My video guide is about removing the online scam that claims to be the message from Windows support. This pop-up scam quotes this fake Windows support number +1 877 916 0330. This is a totally fake Windows support number. It is not related to Windows or Microsoft. There are some online hackers who actually stand behind these deceptive pop-ups. You should not trust them. Don't interact with them. Such pop-ups also quote this fake Windows support number +1 877 916 0330. But this is a fake Windows support number. Don't call it. Simply leave this page. I also recommend that you carefully investigate the system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus, and you may get it on this official resource, combocleaner.com. Download it, install it, and then after it gets successfully installed, start thoroughly researching the system with its help. Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and eliminate other threats. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.